Hey guys, it's Carrie from Quintessentials, and this is the Blendtec Professional 800. You may notice that this is a large blender, but it does fit easily under most cabinets, and it has these really nice carrying handles on the side that you can use to easily transport it when it's not in use. This Blendtec has a 90-ounce container, which is just over 11 cups, and it sits inside this sound enclosure, which makes it super quiet. It automatically goes faster and slower. That really makes it quiet. I can't believe that. It's so much louder. I mean, you can tell it's really powerful just by the way that it runs. You can tell it's super powerful, but man, the sound enclosure really keeps it quiet and it really muffles that noise. Another fun setting is the hot soup setting, which actually creates heat as it blends. You can also really feel the container has already gotten hot. My baby is upstairs asleep right now and she has totally slept through all of that. The sound enclosure really makes it super quiet. That's actually really good. It's really warm and I mean, it's hot like soup, but it's so smooth and creamy. Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look at our control panel. We're gonna press the power button. Now, y'all have already seen the smoothie option and the soup option, the hot soup option, which is amazing. So what we also have is we have a batter option. So if you're making like a cake batter or something, gives it a really nice slow pulse. You've also got an option for mixed drinks. So if you're making a margarita or something maybe that has a little bit more ice, you want a little bit more texture, maybe a milkshake. So that mixed drink option might be also really cool. Oh, it's so quiet. Man, I love the way this thing works. This is amazing. Okay, we also have an ice cream section. So if you guys are craving some sweets, we have ice cream right here. So you can make ice cream using this setting, which is really also awesome. Man, this is so cool. We also have a juicing setting. So if you're looking to get those vitamins, you can also use the juicing option. All right, so beyond the hot soup, which you saw, we also have a pulse option. So if you're looking to just pulse, you want a real quick. All right, there we go. All right, it's working now. All right, so there's your pulse option, holding down for 5 seconds. This is your really, really fast, short blending option. We also have this really cool slider setting. So if you're not sure what kind of power you're looking for, you can start at the bottom, and just by sliding your finger, you can increase the power. So we'll start right there. You can slide up if you want more power. If you want to slide up again, you can get maximum power by sliding all the way up, or if that's too much, just slide down a little bit lower until you find the power setting that you're looking for. To clean the blender, add 1 cup of hot water and a splash of dishwashing detergent, and press the pulse button for 5 seconds. Rinse the container, and then you can wipe off the base. The Blendtec actually does have a really long power cord. It's longer than most blenders, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding somewhere to plug it in your kitchen. This Blendtec Professional 800 is powerful, quiet, simple, and easy to use. It's also really fun. And with the extended warranty, it'll last you 8 years or even more. If you have any questions about this blender or any other blenders on quenchessentials.com, just leave us a comment at the bottom and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Or if you prefer to talk to somebody in person, our friendly blender experts are just a phone call away. Thanks for watching, and happy blending!